Welcome to our video on natural remedies for athlete's foot. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection that affects the skin on the feet, and it can be uncomfortable and painful. While over-the-counter and prescription treatments are available, some people prefer to use natural remedies to relieve their symptoms. In this video, we will explore some of the most effective natural remedies for athlete's foot, so you can find relief from the discomfort and get back on your feet. Athlete's foot is a common fungal infection that affects the skin on the feet. It can cause itching, burning, and redness, and in severe cases, blisters and cracks in the skin. While athlete's foot is not a serious condition, it can be uncomfortable and painful, and if left untreated, it can spread to other parts of the body. That's why it's important to seek treatment as soon as possible. One of the most effective natural remedies for athlete's foot is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal properties that can help kill the fungus that causes athlete's foot. To use tea tree oil, mix a few drops of it with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and apply it to the affected area. You can also add a few drops of tea tree oil to a foot bath to help relieve symptoms. Another natural remedy for athlete's foot is garlic. Garlic has antifungal properties that can help kill the fungus that causes athlete's foot. To use garlic, crush a few cloves and mix them with olive oil to make a paste. Apply the paste to the affected area and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Apple cider vinegar is another effective natural remedy for athlete's foot. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal properties that can help kill the fungus that causes athlete's foot. To use apple cider vinegar, mix equal parts of it with water and soak your feet in the solution for 30 minutes. Repeat this process daily until the symptoms improve. Baking soda is also a popular natural remedy for athlete's foot. Baking soda has antifungal properties that can help kill the fungus that causes athlete's foot, as well as absorb moisture from the feet, which can prevent the fungus from spreading. To use baking soda, mix a tablespoon of it with water to make a paste. Apply the paste to the affected area and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Finally, coconut oil is a natural remedy that can help moisturize and soothe the skin on the feet. Coconut oil has antifungal properties that can help kill the fungus that causes athlete's foot, as well as reduce inflammation and redness. To use coconut oil, apply a small amount to the affected area and massage it in gently. You can also mix a few drops of tea tree oil with coconut oil for added benefits. Thank you for watching our video on natural remedies for athlete's foot. While these remedies can be effective, it's important to remember that they may not work for everyone. If you have severe or persistent symptoms, it's best to seek medical advice from a healthcare professional. In addition to using natural remedies, it's important to practice good foot hygiene to prevent athlete's foot from occurring in the first place. This includes keeping your feet clean and dry, wearing clean socks and shoes, and avoiding walking barefoot in public places. By taking these steps, you can help reduce your risk of developing athlete's foot and keep your feet healthy and comfortable. Thank you again for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you haven't done so already, why not subscribe for more videos like this? See you in the next video.